core teaching principles of engaging classroom pedagogy. Create YFM, words in it for me, for the students upfront, tools and techniques. Intersperse the class session into segments, capturing and building on student contributions. Create energy through movement and peer discussions, using structured reinforcement and reflections. Alright, everyone, let's dive straight into something which is going to challenge the way you think. That is problem solving, or indirectly, you can say design thinking. Today, we are going to work upon real world problems. And the best part, you will be applying everything in real time. Design thinking is all about putting the user first. It's about understanding their needs, thinking creatively, and testing ideas to find the best solution. But today, we are not just going to talk about it. You are going to live it. Are you ready for it? So, what problem are you focusing on today?
We are working on improving the campus experience for first year students, especially with navigation and understanding schedules. They get lost all the time.
Great. Now, I want you to think deeply about the first year students. How about you guys? What problems are you tackling?
We are tackling food waste in the cafeteria. Students leave too much food on their plates, and it's a huge waste.
Exactly. But how we make students care about it? How can we connect with them on an emotional level to change their behavior? The first step in design thinking is empathy. It's about truly understanding the user's need and problems. And when you understand the user, you can design solutions that actually matter. All right, let's move to the next phase, that is ideation. What solutions are coming up for your problem? Don't hold back. Think big.
We were thinking of creating an app that helps first year students navigate the campus in real time, maybe with a live chat for a quick help.
That's a solid idea. Now think about this. What could make it even more useful for students? How can you make sure that they actually use it daily? Food waste is your focus, right? How about creating a reward program? Students can earn points for minimizing waste, redeemable for discounts at cafeteria.
I love that. It turns waste reduction into something engaging and rewarding.
Exactly. With design thinking, it's all about exploring creative solutions. There are no bad ideas. Everything is on the table. So now let's move on to prototyping. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get your ideas out there. How can you quickly visualize or test? What have you come up with?
We are sketching out a wireframe for the app. We'll add features like live navigation and instant help buttons.
Great start. Remember, prototyping is about testing your assumptions. You will want to refine it later, but for now, get something which is tangible to show how your solution could work. Show me. Look at this. You've got a concept ready. Now think about how can you test it. Maybe ask your classmates if they use this app or can participate in the program. You have now gone through different phases of design thinking. That is, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. What is the most important thing you have learned from this process?
Empathizing with the user is crucial. Without really understanding their problems, we can't come up with meaningful solutions.
Exactly. By working in groups, you have also experienced peer learning. The best solutions often come through collaborative efforts. Remember, design thinking is not about getting it right on the first try. It's about constantly iterating and improving. You are learning to think creatively and solve problems, no matter what industry you end up in. Active participation, peer collaboration, and constant iteration are what drive true innovation. It's a process you can use again and again, no matter what challenges you face. Key knowledge nuggets must convey takeaways. Empathize, begin with real user perspectives. Define, narrow the focus. Ideate, generate possibilities together. Prototype, think through making. Test, improve through feedback.